Starting a print-on-demand business is no longer about shipping $10 t-shirts and mugs. You can launch a bespoke, luxurious business utilizing only print-on-demand products. And today, I'm gonna walk you through 3 of my favorite product types that are so bougie that you can start a brand with zero inventory today. For those of you that are new here, my name is Megan and I post content regarding print on demand, starting a business, scaling a business. I started my own business in 2023 and was able to grow that to be a 6-figure brand. And I'm really just hoping to be transparent about how I did that, trends I'm seeing in the market. I think print on demand is an underutilized business model for folks that are wanting to start their own business and don't really have the capital or the time to dedicate to sourcing product and finding a manufacturer. And so today I wanted to walk you through 3 of the most luxurious products I've been able to find that are print on demand that you could get started with to launch your own company from home with basically zero upfront capital. And I brought receipts, I have actual samples, so that way you can see that these products are actually great and we're no longer in the era of a $10 t-shirt or $10 mug. We have some phenomenal options to work with. So to get started, the first product is one that I'm super excited about. I posted a video about this last week, but my favorite print-on-demand provider, Print & Mint, recently launched a new product category in the print-on-demand space, or as I like to call it, engrave on demand, and that's cutting boards and serving boards. So they are launching cutting boards and serving boards that you can ship that are engraved with your personalized options and just offer a beautiful experience for customers. So part of this journey was ordering samples so you guys could actually see how these turn out and how they look. Print & Mint ships these in beautiful little packaging, super high quality, nothing gets broken, so it's a really great option and I love them. So this is the serving board. It's made out of wood. It's a great size. It comes with your custom engraving. You can also see online that they offer cutting boards across different wood grain and different types. So just something that can be really, really great across a bunch of different applications. Everybody could use something in this space. And it's a great gift for literally every single occasion. And so this is an area where you could launch a brand that is high-end, that is customizable, that gets shipped to your customer. They produce these in the United States. They ship them in the United States. It can get to your customer in a handful of days. And so I just see this engrave on demand or like wood being a huge hit with the print on demand community. This is a category where so far I've only seen it on Print & Mint. What typically ends up happening is one of these print providers launches with a great product, get some hype, and then over the next several months, it eventually ends up on Printify. So if it's something you wanna wait for, I totally understand. But if you wanna get in early, Print & Mint is the only place where I've been able to find these wood cutting boards, and I'm super excited about them. Okay, the next product that I wanna walk through is clothing. It is a t-shirt, but I'll do a history lesson here. Everybody that's been in the game for print on demand for a while is very comfortable with the Bella Canvas tees. That's like the OG tee. It's very affordable. It's under $10 to ship. Then in the last couple of years, the Comfort Color 1717 tee came out and basically blew the print on demand industry out of the water. A little bit more expensive, more vintage dye colors, has a higher quality to it. And originally people were on the fence on if this product was going to sell, but what did they see? It sold because people wanted that higher quality tee. They were willing to go and pay a little bit more for that vintage feel and buy an oversized tee. And so the next product is basically what I think is going to be the future, which is going even more upscale for print on demand. So the next product that I have here is from Printify. It's new. I'm always sleuthing the new product category for Printify to find out what's new, what's poppin'. And so this tee popped up a few weeks ago and I knew I had to try it. This is the AS Color Tee 5082. So it's the heavy weighted tee, super high quality, double stitch, thick collar. As you can see here, super high quality. We're not seeing any like straggly threads. I decided to get this super cute trending design on it that says, "I'm afraid you have ratted your last tattooey." As I've talked about in the past, these like crazy designs are so hilarious right now and trending so well. But what I love about this tee outside of the quality is the colorways available. If you know streetwear, you know that these colors of neutrals are performing super well. So this is the only style of tee that I've been able to find these like really high quality, thick, neutral colors that almost mimic like the Yeezy style that I think is going to perform really well, especially if you invest in taking good mock-up images. So it comes in really great colors like faded gray, faded black, faded bone. This is the faded bone, so it's this like tan color, and I got it in an extra large, but just like super high quality. And we've already seen with Comfort Colors that people are comfortable paying more for a t-shirt that you can't find anywhere else. And so if you utilize these, customize these, I think it is going to be the next wave for print-on-demand t-shirts. Similarly to how Comfort Colors was like 30% more expensive than the Bella Canvas tee, this is a more expensive tee. Even if you have Printify Premium, it's sitting at around $18, and then you have to pay the extra $5 for shipping. So it's one thing that you'd have to factor into your product analytics and your unit costs. But again, if you can build your brand, and if you're wanting to build a brand that is more streetwear centric or just like different than what's out there for print on demand right now, or if you're just wanting to initially vet out, hey, would these designs sell for the streetwear style, then I think this is a really great option to test that out, and I'm loving it. The last product that I'm gonna walk through today is one that I'm super excited about, I'm super passionate about, and it is the all-renowned candle. Now again, if you've been in the game for a little bit, candles took the world by storm in the last year and a half with print on demand. There have been two main players in the print on demand candle game. There's Printify with the manufacturer called Lumient, and my fave, which has been Printed Mint. And this game, breaking news, just got a heck of a lot more interesting as of today, which I'll talk about in a second. But candles, I think this is such an awesome way to, again, tap on every single giftable holiday known to man. Everybody could use a candle. Everybody likes a candle. Ship them in. They come in really great packaging, super exciting. People love them. And I think are just a huge hit across literally everybody. So this one is from Printed Mint. It is their amber 9-ounce jar candle. It has a 40 to 50 hour burn time. Manufactured in the United States, hand poured in Arizona. Really great. They offer 10 different scents. This was the blackberry vanilla one. Really high quality labels. You can see that the imagery is super clear. Dope hot ant, like a mom but cooler. Got this for myself. Even with the tiny print, you can still see everything super well. They offer multiple sizes. So not only do they offer that size, but they also offer a mini. So you can do the large 9-ounce candle in the amber jar for $9.50 our cost, or the small little guy for $5.50. And so again, just lots of great options. So fun, so beautiful, great color, burns super clean. Just incredible to me that these are print on demand, meaning that you just have to design a label to ship these out. You could start a brand. And so originally, Printed Mint was my go-to. There's another candle on Printify with the Lumient brand, very similarly priced to this amber jar candle, also in the $9 range. If you go into Etsy, you're gonna see these mock-ups everywhere. So a very big seller across candle shops. Well, as of literally this week, they have launched candles that look identical to these. 2 sizes, all on Printify. So if you don't want to have to go to a different manufacturer, a different print provider, and you just want to test Printify, literally you can offer 2 different candle sizes just like this. They also have 6 to 10 different scents that you could test out, which is fantastic. If you do want to go a little bit more bespoke, as I mentioned in my previous few videos, I love Printed Mint. Feel free to check that out, link in the description. But they do ship everything super secure. They have fun little crinkle inside. They also will ship the care instructions and candle safety. Super good, secure packaging in here. They offer a guarantee that if anything arrives damaged, they are going to ship that back out. So I just love them entirely. Breaking news on the candles on Printify. I don't think anybody's covered that yet. This is going to be huge going into the holiday season. So if I was you, I would start getting my candles ready, start trying to test and launch that brand. If you have a unique perspective on any industry and you know that something is funny before everybody else does, literally you could start your own business. So those are my top 3 choices amongst our beautiful serving board from Printed Mint, our AS Color Tee from Printify, super bougie, super fancy, super high quality, and my candles across Printed Mint and Printify that I think would launch an awesome luxury brand. So if this has been helpful, like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll be posting videos weekly.